Parker, got a roll tarp on it. I'll show you here in a minute when we get, I just wanted to show you how good it did run. It's got good tires on it. It just came in, runs smooth. I think the augers are decent. We're gonna shut this off and show them to you, but I wanted to show you it unfolding and folding. It's a small 1000 PTO. It's been welded right here. It evidently broke loose where it hooks onto that frame. They did a pretty nice job. So it's got a couple non-factory welds on both sides where that comes in to each other. But as you can hear, it runs smooth. It is corner auger. It almost looks like these tires are like new. They have really, they don't have much wear on them, and you can still see little tips on the treads. Somebody's put these tires on this machine, that one especially, not too long ago, and this one's not much more worn than that. It's got really good tread. I think the left one's doing the right, but pretty straight except for in the front where they got those two little re-welds. Like I say, it does have a tarp. So this bottom auger, you can see it's pretty darn good. It's not jagged. It's not new, but it's definitely got a lot of life left in it. And looks like the upper auger is decent. It does have a non-factory patch right there. And it does have a couple dings right here, but you could hear it when it ran. It was running good and smooth. And not much else to say about it. It's just a real straight grain cart. But it's been banged around a little bit, but it's going to sell absolute on Tractor House auction.